Hey y'all, so I am sitting here with a sleeping baby watching my husband vacuum out his car with the two big kids because we picked it up from the shop and we have to sell it. So he's got it washed and he's going to vacuum it out, and then we're going to take it home and clean it up a little more and put it up for sale. But anyway, I was replying to a comment on one of my videos this morning, and I saw that my subscriber count had gone from like 98 to 103. So I want to just make a little thank you video to those 5 subscribers who have bumped up my number over 100. This is the first time it's ever happened, and I'm really excited about it, and it just shows that no matter how silly my videos are, someone is watching them. So thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. I really enjoy doing the videos. Sometimes I wonder if it's worth it, but it's worth it for me at least, even if no one watched them. But I have people watching them, so that's totally cool. Thank you very much for subscribing and watching and getting me up past 100. So let's see if we can keep... My kids are waving at me. Hi. Let's see if we can keep the number going up. But I just want to say thank you. That's the first time I've ever seen that number in the triple digits, and that's super cool for a YouTube mommy vlogger to see. It's a milestone in the mommy vlogger world, so I get to go post that now. But thanks, guys, really. Thanks for subscribing and watching, and I'm glad that I am entertaining at least 103 of you. It really makes me happy. Okay, bye.